How is this small flower embroidered? First, we need to cut the mohair yarn to a length of 70 to 80 centimeters. Leave it this long. First, I need to secure the yarn end from the middle wear out go in. Okay, turn it over. Tie a fixed knot on it. Leaving about 5 centimeters should be enough. Next, continue. Come out from here. Then go in from here, approximately into the empty 23/4 square. Then come out from this hole in the middle. Then bring it here. Like this. Pull it out. This way, we have fixed a triangle. Next, thread this hole to here. Thread it through here, then come through here. After passing through, then go in from here to form 5 corners. After coming in, then come out from the middle. After coming out, what next? Now we start broidering. First, the first row needs to be pressed down. You cannot go through directly from here, but must go through the second one. Then press down here, press on this one, and then go forward. You don't need to pull too tight, just pull gently. If it's too tight, the flower will shrink and become smaller. Nights became days and days to nights. How should we secure it? First, during our last step, we take this thread, thread it through this small flower and pull it down. Hook it out from below, and then we turn it over. This line is the one we reserved earlier, used for securing the final step. Let's tie a knot. Gently, there's no need to use too much force. Okay, then let's give it a trim. Like this, we have completed the 2 flowers.